video of you hunting a toilet.
What? Is that a video game?
Video of you hunting a toilet, but it's not as shitty as
that
the
one was the terriblest one.
Is that one on YouTube?
Somewhere. It's called "This is some shit right here."
For real?
Yeah. There's water. I was like high as that, and it was full of shit. And then when the water went down, the whole toilet was brown.
Oh fuck!
Really? That's really weird.
Are you really recording me scratching my balls?
You really recording my balls scratching Jeff?
Stop! No! Stop it! Get out of here! You're hurting me! Ah!
Let me give you a blowjobby.
Oh, yeah!
Yeah, squeal like a big boy.
Oink! Oink! I'm sounding like a big pudgy pig! No! Say hello, YouTube!
What the fuck,
This
man?
reminds me of a hotel in M&M's.
What?
Your hometown eating M&M's.
No, I didn't say that. Plug you motherfucker!
Why did Michael?
You got pee too! I got pee in my foot! He's screaming his foot, guys!
Don't use all that toilet paper. I just got that roll, Brandon.
Then step in pee then!
Grab a fucking towel, idiot.
I use those! Woohoo! Yeah, took my balls! Woohoo! Fuck me! Fuck me hard, boy! Call me Hefe!
Gay Faye.
Bagay.
I want one dog! Give me a fucking dog! Cunt! Fall back! Fall back, boy!
Oh my god.
It didn't even work, bag. Suck my penis. I'm just joking.
Well, they gave up, so I guess I gotta try.
Oh, sorry. The fucking video game.
Penis. Hey, yeah!
Now it takes 4 idiots to fucking unplug the toilet. Fucking dumb.
People will probably stop the video after that.
She's like, yeah, Peter, like, yeah, I know her.
Stop plunging the toilet!
Yeah,
That's mine! I just want more wombat! I'm just a wombat, boy! Far back! Far back, boy!
I'm gonna fuck you.
Yeah, awesome YouTube video.
I think this is a video we should put in the
This
comments.
is what we think about YouTube. It's a big pile of fucking teeth. Dude, this is so going on fucking YouTube and Facebook and shit.
I said we should send it into Tosh.
Oh, that'd be funny as fuck.
Gross. Hey. I think you fixed it. I don't know.
Did you fix it?
I don't know. I'm afraid to flush it again.
I'll do it.
If it just
No.
went down the drain, it flooded. It's working.
It ain't fucking doing nothing, man. It's like a
Did you just flush it again?
Yeah, she did, but look, it didn't go down. There's still toilet paper in my mouth.
Gross.
Yeah.
Someone evacuate.
He was licking his butt. He didn't need a dick.
Of course.
Squirt, squirt, squirt! Squirt on my feet!
Do you want me to stop this? This is 6.5 minutes long.
Yeah.